Dear gentlemen, I show you how I do the shoe shine after the patina. For this we need the wax, and we put this only little bit on the shoe and only with the finger. After the shoe wax, we stay the shoe for 50 minutes and then we polish the shoe. We need this one. Take it. And now come my favorite parts of the shoe shine, the mirror shine. For this we need the hard wax, and we put also only with the finger on the shoe, but only of the hard parts of the shoe. And for this we need only little bit wax, only little bit with the finger. We do this for 5, 10 or 15 minutes, different of the shoe leather. My favorite polishing cup. Only a drop of water and polishing. You need only a drop of water, drop of wax, and not more. We put only little bit of wax, only little bit, a drop of water, and we polishing this very fine. Please no press too much. Only little bit and only fine. And only of the hard part of the shoe. Don't forget this. Also, first only a wax, then stay for 50 minutes, and then we polish the shoe. And after the polish, we do the mirror gloss with the hard wax and a little bit of water.
The sax sings again, an echo refrain. Oh, isn't life a fleeting kind of art? The tender kind that lingers in the heart. A whispered question hangs dearest muse, with answers wrapped in the city's blues. Oh, city lights, they flicker like a dream. Reflections murmur on a flowing stream. Philosophy spills with each thought we sow, and wistful one